Hey guys, hope you're staying healthy. Hope you're doing as good as you can be right now. I'm looking at the calendar recently, and I'm kind of noticing that we have about 2 weeks of regular class left plus finals week. So May 8th being the last day of school, basically. So this would be finals week right here, the 4th through the 8th. I'm kind of thinking about maybe just having that be like a catch-up week, and then we'll just continue working in the Animate book because, learning animation is a good skill. I think with a couple more lessons out of the book, we can learn some basic skills with Animate. So we'll start on, the next lesson would be lesson 3, which starts on page 191. And so we'll get started on that this week. I might give you till maybe next Sunday to get it done. I'm not quite sure. This one takes a little bit longer. It's 2 hours to complete. And I still have to make the videos walking you through how to do it. I know some people maybe aren't even using the videos, but I know some people are. So I kind of feel like maybe I should continue making those videos for people that are using the videos to complete the assignment. So I'll have those out hopefully by tomorrow or this weekend, and then I'll give you till next Sunday to get this lesson done. And then, we'll have maybe one more book assignment out of Animate, out of this book. And then I think we'll be done. I'll just keep finals week as a catch-up week, I think. Unfortunately, with the virus happening, it's just kind of made it harder to. I feel like this is the best way forward with what's going on, and so hopefully you guys are okay with just doing the book lessons. I think 2 more from the book. Lesson 3, I still haven't figured out what the last lesson will be, but hopefully you guys are okay with that. I'm just a little concerned because when I come in here, this was due yesterday, so there might be still some people that are actually going to get their stuff in like today and tomorrow, but I only have 5 out of 11 students work for Adobe Animate Lesson 1, so I'm a little concerned with that. I'm not trying to give too much work because I know it's a stressful time for everybody, and honestly I'm stressed out too. My dad actually got the virus, and he was in the hospital for a few nights. He was in there 3 nights. He lives in Rygate, Montana, which is really close to Billings, and they must have picked it up in Billings when they went grocery shopping or something, is what we're thinking. But he has asthma, and he's 70. He just turned 70 a couple days ago, or yesterday actually. So yeah, it was kind of a scary time for us, and it's been kind of hard to, try and be normal. But luckily, I think I'm kind of, the stress is dissipating and I'm able to get back on track with things. But I know it's a stressful time for everybody, so I'm just trying to keep it simple, keep it stress-free for you guys, but still give you some assignments that you can learn something from. So hopefully I'll have those assignment videos out by Sunday for lesson 3. And then it will be due next Sunday. Sorry for the delay, but it's just been we're not in a rush right now. You or me, I'm not going to rush anybody. I'm not going to rush myself right now. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of an update on what's going on with this class. And if you guys have any concerns, or you don't like the Adobe Animate, or the Animate doesn't want to work on your computer or something like that, I can potentially think of some alternate assignments using Canva or something if necessary. But really, this animation, Adobe Animate, is a pretty useful program. And we're going to skip lesson 2 because it's making a static image. And I'm like, if you're going to make a static image, you might as well just use Photoshop or Illustrator, InDesign, and not bother using Animate, because it's way more complicated to try and make graphics in Animate than some of the other programs that we already know. So that's why we're skipping forward to lesson 3. So I'll have those videos out soon, and we'll just kind of get on with things. Hopefully just finish up with Animate, and then maybe the last week we'll just leave that as a catch-up week for you guys to get your stuff in. But basically the last day to get things into me is going to be May 8th. So just keep that in mind. If you're late with anything or you're missing some work, just remember the last day is May 8th. So you're going to have to get things done by that date if you want credit for it. So, all right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Hope you're staying healthy, and yeah, have a good weekend coming up here soon anyway.